not just one, not just two, but 3 different ways of making raitas. Onion, cucumber, tomato, black salt, roasted jeera, dahi, mint leaf, grapes, roasted pecans, roasted cumin, chaat masala, Himalayan salt, dahi, sugar optional, boiled grated beets, roasted jeera, Himalayan salt, touch of chaat masala, dahi, garnish of beets. Your dahi raitas are ready. Paired these 3 raitas with my quinoa pulao using Brar's dahi, and for the whole episode and the recipe, please go on to my website www.kitchenpunjabi.com and you will get the whole recipes right there.